Here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. A mine just south of Mainside, which is near Opalton. Rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted and the white that you can see there. It's a light reflection. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer so you can see each piece. Stone there. Material's nice and hard, so it'll polish up quite nice for the backing. Second piece, this is just thrown in pretty well. It's a little bit sugary, so whether it'll face eventually, or it might be just too soft. This piece is just a nice patterned piece, some blues in it there. The fire over on the corner here. Again, might be able to grind this down and get a bit better colour. Sorry, I'll be able to grind this down and get a bit better colour out of the going down on it a bit. Bit of red up here, red and blues. Maybe even if you want to cut it up and get a small stone there. See where this goes. Lucky last but not least, little long stone here. But it goes possibly back under here, underneath the parent material, so you might end up with a bigger stone. There's no guarantee, I can't see it where it's going to go. Again, all the pieces are the same hard material, so you get a nice shiny backing. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.